students, in this video we are going to solve some problems related to special integrals by the that is we have proved the six formulae, and by using that formulae we have to prove, but by using substitution method we have to solve the problems here. Okay students, let us solve an example, that is integration of 1 upon a square e raised to x plus b e raised to minus x dx. Okay students, first let us simplify the problem. That is, this is equal to integration of 1 upon, that is a square e raised to x plus b into e raised to minus x. E raised to minus x we can write as 1 upon e raised to x with respect to x. Okay students, now at denominator there is again numerator and denominator. In the second term the denominator is e raised to x, that's why we have to take the LCM in this case, and the LCM will be e raised to x, and therefore now our integration I equal to integration of 1 upon a square e raised to x plus b. Okay, and we have multiply here with e raised to x, and therefore this is a square e raised to x into e raised to x. Okay, this is e raised to 2x. Okay students, see here, that is 1 upon a square e raised to x into e raised to x plus this is b square. Okay students, this is b square and upon b plus b square upon e raised to x with respect to x. E raised to x into e raised to x, that is e raised to x into e raised to x is a square e raised to 2x plus b square, and this e raised to x will be shifted here, and that is e raised to x with respect to x. Now we have shifted e raised to x to there, and hence e raised to x upon a square e raised to 2x plus b square. This is our integration. Now, so directly we can't use the formula here. To convert this integrand into suitable form or integrable form, we have to substitute. What is the substitution? Let us substitute e raised to x equal to t. Suppose we substitute e raised to x equal to t, and whatever is our substitution, differentiate it. So differentiate with respect to x. With respect to x, we will get e raised to x equal to dt by dx. Okay, and now shift this dx to that side, we will get e raised to x dx equal to dt. Okay students, so let us put these values in given integration. We will get integration I equal to, so this e raised to x into dx, this term will be e raised to x into dx, the term will be dt upon a square e raised to 2x means e raised to x into e raised to x. If e raised to x equal to t, then e raised to x into e raised to x, that means e raised to 2x is t square, and this is a square t square plus b square. Okay students, now we can common out a square here, 1 upon a square. So we can write this 1 upon a square, common out this, integration with respect to t, a square upon a square, that is t square plus b square upon a square. Okay students, and now this is the integration I equal to integration 1 upon a square dt upon t square plus b upon a whole square with respect to t. Okay students, so by using formula, by using which formula? That is integration of 1 upon x square plus a square with respect to x is 1 by a tan inverse of x by a. By using this formula, we have to integrate. Okay, by using this formula, we have to integrate. So here t is x, here t is x and b upon a is a. So put the values we will get. That is 1 upon a square as it is into integration of this is 1 by a. 1 by a means 1 by b by a. This is the value of a. Into tan inverse of x by a. X means t by a means b by a. Okay. So students, here a get cancelled and we will get this is equal to 1 upon a into b tan inverse of this a will be shift here, that is 80 upon b plus constant of integration c and resubstitute the value of t. After putting the value, we will get this is equal to 1 upon AB tan inverse of the value of t is e raised to x, that is a e raised to x upon b plus constant of integration c. In this way, we have to solve the problem. Okay students, now let us solve another example. Another example is that evaluate the integral. Evaluate that is e raised to x by 2 upon square root of e raised to minus x minus e raised to x with respect to x. Okay students, first let us simplify. How to simplify? That is e raised to x by 2. Okay, square root of e raised to minus x means 1 upon e raised to x minus e raised to x with respect to x. And now take the LCM, we will get e raised to x by 2 with respect to x as it is upon integration of 1 minus e raised to x into e raised to x. E raised to x into e raised to x and upon e raised to x. Upon e raised to x. Okay students, with respect to x, and this is equal to integration of e raised to x by 2. E raised to x by 2 means we can write square root of e raised to x. Square root of e raised to x means e raised to x by 2. Upon this is 1 minus e raised to 2x. E raised to x into e raised to x is e raised to 2x. Okay. And upon this square root of e raised to x, and this is upon e raised to x with respect to x. Okay students, now the term will be shift here and now we will get the integration equal to. The integration are equal to integration of e raised to x into e raised to x upon square root of 1 minus e raised to x into e raised to x, that is e raised to x whole square. Okay, e raised to x whole square or e raised to 2x also with respect to x. Okay students, now e raised to x into e raised to x is e raised to x with respect to x, and this is 1 minus e raised to x whole square or e raised to 2x also. Now this is the integrand students, and now we have to solve this integrand. For this integrand, now if we put e raised to x equal to t, then our problem will be will convert in that is suitable, that we can solve it easily or into suitable integrable form. Now whatever is the substitution, differentiate it and differentiate with respect to x. Differentiate with respect to x. We will get e raised to x equal to dt by dx. Differentiation of e raised to x is e raised to x. And shift this e raised to x that side, we will get e raised to x dx equal to dt. Now put the values in given integrand, we will get. This is integrand I equal to integration I equal to integration of e raised to x dx. This value is dt upon 1 minus e raised to x square is t square. And student, this is of the form, this integration is of the form, that is integration of 1 upon square root of a square minus x square. And this is of the form, that is sine inverse of x upon a plus constant of integration c, by using this. Okay. Now here the integration of this term is equal to, that is dt upon 1 minus t square. This is of the form, and the integration is sine inverse of x is t here, t upon a, the value of a is 1, t by 1 plus constant of integration c, and hence resubstitute the value of t, and that is sine inverse of e raised to x. Sine inverse of e raised to x plus constant of integration c, and this is the integration of, that is e raised to x by 2. The problem is very important, that is e raised to minus x minus e raised to x with respect to x. This is the solution for this integral. Okay students, in this way you have to solve the problem. So students, let us solve one example as a homework. Okay, the homework for you, that is evaluate integration of 1 upon e raised to 3x plus e raised to minus 3x with respect to x. And the second problem is evaluate the integration of 1 upon x into 6 log of x whole square plus 7 log of x plus 2. The problem is that these are the two homework problem that you have to solve students. Okay, the problem is same, just we have solved the two problems like this type, and in this problem you have to substitute. The substitution is put log of x equal to t, then you can solve the problem easily. Then log of x differentiation of 1 upon x dx equal to dt, and this is the value for dt, that is dx upon x. Okay, and this is 60 square plus 70 plus 2. You can solve the problem easily. Okay students, let us take again one more example. The problem is that evaluate the integration of sec x into tan x upon 9 minus 16 tan square x with respect to x. So students, we don't have the formula to solve this type of integration. Okay, also by the special type of formula we have to solve, but again this is not into directly integrable form. So by making adjustment by substitution, we have to convert into integrable form. So students, if we have to solve the problem, first let us see at the numerator there is sec x into tan x, and you know that sec x into tan x is the derivative of sec x, and hence from this one thing that is important, we notice from the numerator term that is the substitution may be sec x equal to t. The substitution may be sec x equal to t, then its differentiation will be sec x tan x dx equal to dt. If substitution is sec for the sec x, there is no sec x term. But we can convert the tan square x in terms of sec square x. We have the formula, that is 1 plus tan square x equal to sec square x, and therefore tan square x equal to sec square x minus 1. Okay students, so let us the integration I equal to sec x tan x with respect to x upon integration of 9 minus 16, put the value of tan x is sec square x minus 1 from above formula. And now this is equal to integration of sec x tan x upon 9 minus 16 sec square x minus plus 16 with respect to x, and hence the integration I equal to sec x into tan x with respect to x. 9 plus 16, that is 25 minus 16 sec square x. Okay students, and now we can simplify the problem by substitution. So put sec x equal to t. Whatever is your substitution, differentiate it. So differentiate with respect to x. We will get, that is sec x tan x equal to dt by dx. Shift this dx to that side, we will get sec x tan x dx equal to dt. Okay students, and now put the value in given integration. The integration I equal to sec x tan x dx equal to dt upon 25 minus 16 t square. Okay students, now we can divide by 16. Okay, so that we will get the coefficient of t square 1, and therefore 1 by 16, that is dt upon, that is 25 upon 16 minus 16 by 16 into t square. And now this is of the form, that is 1 by 16 dt upon 5 by 4 whole square, 5 by 4 whole square minus t square with respect to t. Okay student, this is a square minus x square form. Suppose this is a and this is x. This is a square minus x square form, and we know that the integration of, that is integration of 1 upon a square minus x square with respect to x. The formula is 1 upon 2a log of a plus x log of a plus x upon a minus x plus constant of integration c. By using this formula, we can solve the integration directly. Okay students, now this integration, that is the integration I equal to 1 by 16 1 upon 5 by 4 whole square minus t square with respect to t is 1 upon 2a, this 1 by 16 as it is, into 1 by a, 1 upon 2a, 2 into a. What is the value of a? A is 5 by 4. Okay, and now this is equal to into log of a plus x. A is 5 by 4 plus t upon 5 by 4 minus t plus constant of integration c. Okay students, and now this is equal to so 4 the 16, 4 into 2 8, and this is equal to 1 by 40, the simplified term, the 1 by 40 log of 5 plus 4t, 5 plus 4t upon 5 minus 4t plus constant of integration c. Resubstitute the value of t. What is t? T is sec x, and hence 1 by 4t log of, that is 5 plus 4 sec x upon 5 minus 4 sec x plus constant of integration c, and this is integration of sec x into tan x upon 19 minus 16 tan square x with respect to x. Okay students, this is the solution for given integration. Okay, now the next problem is that evaluate the integration of evaluate the integration of cos x upon 3 sin square x minus 4 sin x plus 1 with respect to x. Okay students, so also to solve this problem, now the problem is this: cos x upon 3 sin squares minus 4 sin x plus 1. To solve the problem, first give it the substitution. Substitution is that put sin x equal to t. So this substitution, now differentiate this with respect to x. Differentiate with respect to x, we will get differentiation of sin x is cos x equal to dt by dx. And now shift dx to that side, we will get cos x dx equal to dt. Okay students, the problem is that is not integrable form. That's why we, by substitution, we convert the problem into one of the special integral type, and then we have to solve. Okay, and that's why the substitution is there. But students, if we substitute here for sin x, then we know that differentiation of sin x is cos x dx equal to dt, and that will be successful substitution. In this way, we have to decide which substitution is to be given. Okay, now the integration are equal to cos x dx upon 3 into sin square x minus 4 into sin x plus 1. So this cos x dx equal to dt upon 3t square minus 4t plus 1. Now again to adjust this term by completing the square method. Adjust the term, that is 3t square minus 4t plus 1. So how to adjust? That is first take 1 by 3 as a common out, or divide by 3 at the denominator, so that the coefficient of t square will be 1, minus 4 by 3t and plus 1. Okay students, and hence this is equal to t square minus 4 by 3t plus 1 by 3. Okay, and this is equal to, by completing the square, which term is to be adjusted? That is the middle term formula. That is, middle term formula is 4 by 3t whole square upon 4 into quadratic term, that is t square. That is 16 by 9 t square upon 4t square. That means here we have to adjust the term, that is 4 by 9. That is 4 by 9. Okay, the term we have to adjust here, that is 4 by 9. And therefore we can write this as t square minus 4 by 3t plus 4 by 9 minus 4 by 9 plus 1 by 3. Suppose this is one bracket and solve the another number. This is the perfect square of t minus 2 by 3 whole square. This is the perfect square of t minus 2 by 3 whole square. Okay. And now the calculation of 4 by 9 plus 1 by 3. The LCM will be 9, and that is 3 3 is 9 minus 1 by 9. Okay. The calculation is minus 1 by 9. Okay. And hence the term is that is t square integration of that is 1 upon t square minus 4 by 3t. Now students, we will write here. Okay, the term is integration of 1 upon t square minus 4 by 3t plus 1 by 3 with respect to t, that is equal to integration of that is t minus 2 by 3 whole square minus 1 by 9. And this 1 by 9 we can write as that is t minus 2 by 3 whole square minus 1 by 3 whole square. And this is of the form x square minus a square. This is x suppose and this is a. So we know that the formula for integration of that is integration of 1 upon x square minus a square with respect to x is 1 upon 2a log of x minus a upon x plus a plus constant of integration. See, by using this formula we can solve the above example. Okay students, so the value of a is 1 by 3. Okay, value of a is 1 by 3. So 1 upon 2a. So students, this we have common out 1 by 3. So the term 1 by 3 is also there. 1 by 3. So integration of 1 by 3 as a we have common out, integration with respect to t, that is t minus 2 by 3 whole square minus 1 by 3 whole square. And this is 1 by 3 as a constant into 1 upon 2a, 2 into 1 by 3 log of the value of x is that is t minus 2 by 3 minus a is minus 1 by 3 and x plus 1 by 3, that is x plus 1 by 3 plus constant of integration c, and these 3 get cancelled. 1 upon 2 log of, we can take LCM, that is 3t minus 2 minus, that is 3t minus 3 and upon this is 3t minus 1. So divide by 3, we will get the answer. Okay, and this is the integration. Here we substitute the value of t, that is 1 by 2 log of, put the value of t, that is 3 sin x minus 3 upon 3 sin x minus 1 plus constant of integration c. In this way we have to solve the problem. Okay students. Dear students, let us solve these two examples as a homework. The first problem is that evaluate integration of sine of 2x upon 3 sine raised to 4x minus 4 sine square x plus 1 with respect to x. Okay students, this is the homework problem. To solve this problem, first substitute, that is put sine square x equal to t. Then this substitution you have to differentiate. Then you will get 2 sine x cos x dx equal to dt. And you know that this is the sine of 2x. Hence sine of 2x dx equal to dt. And then your problem will be integrable form. That will be converted into the special integral type. Okay. Now this is the second example. In this example, that is integration of square root of tan x plus square root of cot x with respect to x. So hint for this problem is that the substitution for this problem is that is put root tan of x equal to t. This implies tan of x equal to t square, squaring on both sides. Okay. Now shift this tan x tan to that side, we will get x equal to tan inverse of t square. And now differentiate with respect to t. We will get dx by dt equal to 1 upon 1 plus t raised to 4 into differentiation of t square is 2t. And therefore dx equal to 2t upon 1 plus t raised to 4 dt. Okay students, so put this value of dx and the value of root tan x here. Then the problem will become into integrable form and then solve it. Okay.